Hello everyone, welcome back to Express VTU for all. In this video, we will understand how to convert an ER model into a relational database schema, which is very important for test mass question in DBMS. So let's go step by step. So our step first is mapping of strong entities. It means for every strong entities, we create a table that contains all its simple attributes. If they are composite attributes, we break them into the simple attributes. We also choose one key attribute as the primary key. These tables are also called the entity relation. Now move to step 2, which is mapping of weak entities. For weak entities, we create a separate table. We include all attributes of the weak entity and also add the primary key of the owner entity or the foreign key. The primary key of this table is combination of the owner key and the partial key. This ensures existence of the tendency. Now move to a third step, which is mapping of 1:1 relationship. It means for 1-to-1 relationship, we can use different method, but the most common is the foreign key approach. We add the primary key of one entity as a foreign key in the other. We also include any relational attributes. Now move to a fourth step, which is mapping of one relationship. For one-to-many relationship, we add the primary key of the one side into the many side as the foreign key. Relational attributes are also included in the many side. Now move to our fifth step, which is mapping of M relationship. M means nothing but the many. So for many to many relationship, we create a new table. This table contains the primary key both of entities as foreign key. These combined key act as a primary key. We also include any relational attributes. Now move to step 6, which is mapping of multi-valued attribute. For each multi-valued attribute, we create a separate table. This table contains the attribute and the primary key of the parent entity. The primary key is a combination of both. Now move to step 7, mapping of any relationship. For relationship involving more than two entities, we create a new table. This table includes primary key of all participating entities and foreign key. This combines of these key form the primary key. We also include relation attributes. So this is final conclusion. To convert an ER model into the relational schema involves systematically mapping entities, relations and attributes into the table. So like that, you have to explain in the examination step by step to get the full marks. If you want these notes, the link of the WhatsApp channel and Telegram channel is given in the description box. You go and check it from there. So thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe Express VTU for all.